Once positioned, we go to the Survey Data Collection menu. Here we can collect data from profiles, characteristic or unique points, mesh of points, or scan by continuous measurement if the device allows it. We go to Cross-section. We enter the alignment segment that we are going to measure, giving starting and ending stations, and the interval between profiles to be collected. In this case, from station 100 to 104 and every 2 meters. Next, we specify within the template which points we are going to measure. We have several options: by angle increment, height increment, or development length. We select the latter option so that each meter we measure a point. We can also measure directly from the part of the template to be observed and exclude its characteristic points, keystone, etc. Finally, we can define exclusions to avoid making wrong observations, such as the case of installations, ventilation, pipes, etc. We accept and proceed to measure the points. We accept. It shows us on the screen the theoretical template of the tunnel and the points that we have defined to measure in the field within the range of stations given. We start the automatic measurement, and the total station begins to measure autonomously and cyclically, point by point, initially staking the alignment station in the position of each point in the section, searching for its position in the reality closest to the theoretical one through repetitive observation of 3 cycles or with a tolerance established in the application settings. Once completed, the program displays the result of comparing, for each measured point, the difference with respect to the theoretical section. In red, the underbreak values, and in blue, those of overbreak, for each of the sections. With the information tool, we can select a point from the measured ones for the total station to stake it out directly with the laser beam in real time. We accept and exit from the survey menu with the measured profiles. Now we are going to analyze this cross-section file. With the options checking and drawing, we draw the measured profiles. First, we analyze the point file, and the program shows the station interval of the alignment and the point cloud collected. We calculate the measured cross-sections. We enter the parameters as defined at measurement time, every 2 meters, and from station 98 to final station 104. We calculate area. Then, the drawing of each of the cross-sections measured is shown, with the information from the underbreak areas in red and overbreak areas in blue. After this rapid analysis in the field of the measured data, we proceed to perform it through the TcpTunnel CAD application in the office and obtain the relevant reports.